Do you ever wish that you could send someone just the right part of your OneNote notebook without making them scroll or search through endless pages of your notes? Maybe you're sharing meeting minutes or just one key project detail. The good news is that you can point people right where they need to go, whether it's a section, a page, or even one single paragraph. OneNote makes it easy to create links that point exactly where you want. These shortcuts can save time, reduce confusion, and even help you build a clickable table of contents for your notes. Let's get started. When creating links in OneNote, sometimes we want to give people the big picture. To link to an entire section, like this website content, simply right-click on the Section tab, and here is that option, Copy Link to Section. Next, we go where we want the link, such as another place in OneNote, could be an email message. Here we can simply right-click and choose Paste, or we could use other paste options like the keyboard shortcut, Control-V. With this link, anyone can jump straight to that section with one click. Let's give this a try. Simply move to that link, click on it, and there we are, back to the section for website content. Now let's go a little bit smaller. This time we'll point to a specific page. Here in Meeting Notes, I have a page for a project team meeting. And so if I'd like to share this, especially if I have action items or if I want to see who participated in it, we simply move to that page. Once again, we can right-click, and here is that option, Copy Link to Page. And once again, we can paste the link wherever we need it. Let's give this a try again. I'll simply paste, this time Control-V. Now, at any point, if I want to review those meeting notes, keeping in mind this could be in a Word document, this could be in an email message, simply move to that, click, and there I am, back to those meeting notes. Quick tip to keep in mind is when you share a link to a section, page, or even a paragraph, you're still giving access to the whole notebook, not just that one part. To learn more about getting started sharing a OneNote notebook, find the link in the description below. I'll also share the video at the end. And if you really want to zero in, you could even link to a single paragraph. For this, I'm simply moving to that paragraph, either to the left-hand side or directly on the text. We'll right-click. Here is Copy Link to Paragraph. And once again, to simply test the link, I'll paste this in. And anytime I want to move to that link, simply click it, and there we are. You'll probably want to add these chocolate dates to your calendar. As we've seen, when someone clicks that link, OneNote will highlight it and jump to that exact spot. But these links aren't just for OneNote. You can drop them into a Word document, an Outlook email, into an Excel or PowerPoint file, even a Teams chat or channel. For example, here, I'll copy a link to that page for social media content. Now I'll simply paste this into my email, for instance, Control-V. The best part, OneNote automatically creates two versions of the link, one that opens the notebook in the desktop app and one that opens it in OneNote for the web. So your recipient can easily use the link regardless of their version of OneNote. Let's give this a try. In this case, I could use Control and click or right-click, and here I could open that hyperlink. And that's how easy it is. Now you can share parts of your notebook like a pro. These little shortcuts make collaboration much smoother and your notes a lot easier to navigate. What's your favorite way to use OneNote links? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. To explore more ways to be productive with OneNote or to join my free software tips newsletter, visit thesoftwarepro.com/OneNote. This video helped. Give it a like and subscribe for more time-saving tips on Microsoft 365. Thanks for watching.